Peace and blessings be upon you all. In our previous episode, we spoke of Imam Jalal al-Din al-Suyuti, the great master of Hadith who gathered hundreds of reports on the primordial light in his book, The Great Distinctions. Today, we move to another great scholar, but this figure has a particular distinction, for in him, deep love and careful balance appear together, each at its fullest. His name was Mulla Ali al-Qari. Who was Mulla Ali al-Qari? His full name was Ali ibn Sultan Muhammad al-Harawi al-Qari. He was born in the city of Herat, in what is today Afghanistan. He then traveled to the holy city of Makkah and spent the rest of his life there in knowledge and teaching. He passed away in the year 1014 Hijri. Mulla Ali al-Qari was a many-sided scholar. He was a jurist, a master of Hadith, a commentator on the Quran, and an expert in the science of recitation. And among his greatest services was that he wrote commentaries on several foundational works. The most famous is his great commentary on a celebrated collection of Hadith. And another important work is his commentary on the book we studied earlier in this series, Qadi Iyad's The Healing. And this last point connects us directly to our theme. Recall that earlier in this series, we spoke of Qadi Iyad's book on the rank, the qualities, and the rights of the beloved Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him. Now, centuries later, Mulla Ali al-Qari wrote a commentary upon that very book, explaining and unfolding it. In this commentary, he discussed the rank and the distinctions of the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, in detail. So Mulla Ali al-Qari is a scholar of this tradition who is himself carrying forward the work of Qadi Iyad. See this continuity? Qadi Iyad wrote the book, and centuries later, Mulla Ali al-Qari wrote its commentary, bringing it to a new generation. Now the important question: what did Mulla Ali al-Qari say about the primordial light? Here his approach is especially interesting. He affirms the lofty rank of the beloved Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him. He accepts that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, is the most excellent of all creation, granted a glory given to no one else. He also records the reports that point to his priority in creation. But at the same time, Mulla Ali al-Qari was a careful scholar. Again and again, he stresses that even in love and reverence, the limits of sound teaching must be observed. For him, love of the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, does not mean attributing to him the qualities of the divine. Rather, true love is the love that accords with the Prophet's own teaching, peace and blessings be upon him. Here is a most important thing to understand. Mulla Ali al-Qari is the finest example of how balance was preserved within this tradition. On one hand, he never denied the lofty spiritual rank of the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him. He was writing a commentary on a book devoted to that very subject. On the other hand, he restrained anything that might lead to confusing the created with the creator. So, Mulla Ali al-Qari teaches us that the right understanding is the one that carries both love and balance together. Neither excess nor neglect. Neither overstepping the truth nor falling short of it. The straight middle path. And this is profoundly valuable for our series. Because sometimes people assume that everyone who speaks of the primordial light falls into excess or raises the created too high. Mulla Ali al-Qari is the answer to that assumption. He is a scholar who both affirmed the lofty rank of the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, and maintained balance. His very presence proves that within this tradition, there have always been measured, careful, principled scholars. One more thing worth noting about Mulla Ali al-Qari. He was not only a commentator, he was an independent scholar with his own views, which he stated openly. On some questions, he even differed with other scholars. Yet in the love and honor of the beloved Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, his pen was always full of devotion. This is why Mulla Ali al-Qari is counted among those scholars who joined knowledge and love together. And that union is the true beauty of this tradition. And as always, the boundary remains clear. For Mulla Ali al-Qari, the Most High alone is eternal and without equal. The beloved Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, however lofty his station, is a servant and a messenger. The moon may be the brightest light in the night, but its light is always borrowed. It never becomes the sun. So what is the summary of today's episode? Mulla Ali al-Qari, the great jurist, Hadith scholar and commentator of the 11th century Hijri, carried forward the tradition of the rank and distinctions of the beloved Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, through his commentary on Qadi Iyad's work. He affirmed the Prophet's lofty rank, peace and blessings be upon him, while firmly restraining excess. And so he taught us that the right understanding is a union of love and balance. In our next episode, we will turn to another great mystic and scholar, one who kept a much older tradition alive in a new age, and wrote a great deal in honor of the beloved Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, Abd al-Ghani al-Nabulsi. So please subscribe and stay with us through this series. May the Most High grant us true recognition and understanding. Allah Hafiz.